Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete saved posts on Instagram. So for that, let's head over to your Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged into your desired account. And then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then tap on the three lights on the top right. From there, go to the saved option of how you use Instagram section. Now go to the saved posts. Now tap on the three dots on the top right. Now tap on select. Now select the post you want to remove or to delete. So once you select, tap on unsave. Confirm that you want to unsave or delete it from the save post. And yeah, this is how you can just delete saved posts on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.